In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp as a student or teacher. First, open ClickUp in your browser. If this is your first time, sign in or create a free account. You'll land in your workspace. Think of it as home base for all your school planning. I recommend dismissing any sample items, so you start with a clean slate and can clearly see what you create. Next, create a space dedicated to academics. Click to add a new space, give it a simple name like school, choose a color and an icon if you like, and decide on privacy. Keeping it private is perfect for personal planning. If you ever collaborate with a class or a teaching team, you can change sharing later. A dedicated space keeps school separate from personal tasks, which makes everything easier to find and maintain. Before you save that space, take a moment to control the layout. Pick task statuses that match how you work. To do, in progress, and done are a solid, low-friction set. Choose the primary view you want to see first, such as list for details or board for drag and drop columns. Hide fields you don't need so the interface stays clean, and keep the initial setup minimal. The goal is to make the layout feel natural, so you'll actually use it every day. Once your space is created, add the views you need. A mind map is excellent for organizing subjects and exam topics. Create a central node called exams or subjects, then branch out by course, unit, or week. From each branch, generate tasks to track study sessions, assignments, or lesson plans. If you teach multiple sections, create branches per class period. If you're a student, branch by course and assessment type. You can also keep a clean list view for due dates and a board view by subject to visualize progress. Name your views clearly, so switching between them is effortless. Finally, use the calendar to schedule exam times or classes. Open the calendar view, click a date to create a task, and set start and end times so they appear at the right hour. Add a due date, location notes like building and room, and any attachment you might need, such as a study guide or syllabus. For repeating classes, make the task recur weekly, then adjust exceptions when schedules change. Color code tasks by subject to make scanning your week quick. If you move a date or time, it updates across views, keeping everything aligned. That's it. Your ClickUp setup is ready for school success. Keep it simple, review it weekly, and only add what helps you learn or teach better.